Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy braided chignon. To start, I've popped the hair into a side parting and I'm going to divide out the front sections by running my comb from the top of the head to just above the ears, and then clip this out of the way for later, and then just repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Now we're going to divide the hair from ear to ear. And we're going to clip that top section up and out of the way for later. Pop the remaining hair in a low ponytail. And now we're going to release that top section and we're just going to tease it. So take small thin slices of hair and hold them directly upwards. Then use your comb just to create a little bit of back combing at the roots. Once you've got everything back combed, flip over these layers and use your comb just to smooth them out a little bit. Now gather that back comb section into your hands and use the very tip of your comb just to smooth out that top layer. Combine this with the ponytail below and secure it with another elastic band. And then just add a little bit of hairspray to control any flyaways. I've unravelled a hair donut and I'm just going to fold and roll this up to create a long tube shape. And to keep this in place, I've just slipped on a few clear elastic bands. So I'm going to pop this at the end of the ponytail underneath and wrap the ends of the ponytail around the padding, and then you just keep rolling it until it meets the nape of the neck. Then I'm going to secure that padding on either side with a few bobby pins. Fan out the hair along that padding, and on the right hand side we're going to push it towards the head and secure it with a couple more bobby pins. And then we're just going to repeat the same steps on the left hand side. Apply a little more hairspray to the chignon. Now working on the front section, I'm going to leave some hair out to frame the face and divide the rest of the hair into 3 equal sections and just do a regular 3-strand braid. Add a little texture spray to that braid. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and gently pinch and pull at the edge just to make it more voluminous. Bring the braid over to the right hand side of the chignon and secure it in place. Then slip a couple more bobby pins through the braid just to secure it to the head. Now working on the opposite side, I've left some hair out again to frame the face, and I'm going to divide this section in half, and I'm just going to wrap those sections around one another to create a twist. And then again use your fingers to pinch and pull at the twist to make it more voluminous. Now I'm taking my topsy tail tool and slipping it behind the braid, and I'm poking my fingers through the little loop, grabbing hold of the twist and pulling it all the way through behind that braid and out of the bottom of the hairstyle. You can do this with your fingers, but this little tool just makes it a bit easier. Now just secure that into place with another bobby pin. Then secure the twist to the head with a couple more bobby pins. Taking those tail ends, all I'm going to do is wrap them around a bobby pin and tuck them up and underneath the twist on one side. And then just repeat this on the opposite side, tucking it underneath the braided section. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.